Okay, hi, it's me again. Oh gosh, we're getting really acquainted now, aren't we? Now, you might notice that I've still got my thing open from last week. Or yesterday, whenever I uploaded that video. You might be thinking, oh well, I bet all these videos are just being recorded in like one session, like all just done in a row. Wow, that's like super lazy and unprofessional. And if that's what you're thinking or saying or whatever, then in my professional opinion, I think you're terrible and you should stop even thinking about stuff like that, and you should go and practice being an artist, because that's the only way you can redeem yourself. Now, in a situation like this where you're colouring something in and then you run out of lines to like restrict your colouring, you should probably go and buy a new colouring book, because that one's obviously defective. And if you ever colour over a line, that means you're a really bad artist, and you should really think about what you've done. Maybe go and see your art teacher and be like, hey Bob, Mr. Fredhead, or Cheese, or whatever your teacher's called, be like, hey, I'm a really bad artist, can you like teach me how to draw better? And he or she will probably be like, no, there's just nothing you can do. So yeah, if you're still waiting for me to finish that story, then it's just like, there's no hope. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. The best thing about being an artist, honestly, is something that you will figure out if you're as good an artist as me. But of course, yeah, like that's gonna happen. So I highly recommend colouring in like this, because this technique is something that will save you so much time. It's like the ratio of your drawing quality to the effort you put in is going to be like amazing. Honestly, you'll see the difference in like 5 seconds. This also helps for like drawing big black rain clouds, if you know how to use it with skill. You probably don't, but you know, I do. Now, in a situation like this, I definitely would not recommend doing this, because that's just, well, goes without saying. So just, if you do that, just hit undo, or better yet, just close your program, don't save it, and just go and walk out of the house and just go and tell your neighbor that you've done something terrible, and just like, well, don't say that actually, because that's just going to seem weird. If you've already done that, then just, it's not my fault, I didn't have anything to do with it. Just go and drink some tea or something, you know, you figure it out yourself. God, jeez, excuse my language, if you like. You don't have to. It's English. English, if I can speak English clearly, which I can. Now this piece would not be complete if I finish colouring it in, so I'm just going to leave it like this because it's perfect now. So if you found this tutorial useful, then you should go and buy yourself a kitten and then be really nice to it and hope that it will teach you how to draw, because otherwise how are you going to learn apart from watching my videos? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this and found it fun or whatever. Not that art is fun, not when you're really bad at it. Not that I'm saying you're bad at art, but you know. Bye.